Hello into my factory. I just finished the last scrapping, and then it looks around like so. Maybe I make some finishing scrapping, but I'm not too sure I make a video of this. So I wanted to show to you some trick with stone file like this on the ways after the scrapping. So I want to show just difference before and after this. So I try to set the camera somewhere again. So and just like push forward and back and no more. So on this corner I can walk around like so. So one more trick, we can see that too. Here is dust stuck in the stone file. I take an old worn out grinding wheel and just do like so. Also in this way I can renew or like that, you know, this grinding this file. It's very old, and when I get it, this was worn out, and this side was like so, this side like was so, and now it's pretty straight right now. So now we can see how looks the machine way. I should to check it by this test plate, but it will not be in this video because to prepare this test plate takes too much time, and so looks machine way. 3 or 4 days. This side is not started. this side too. I think I use my crane and turn it so I can work this side. So thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.